We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. And today the stock had an explosive run, but a rejection happened soon after. But it wasn't the only stock that rejected around that time. It was the overall market, and even the SPY started to pull down around that time as well. Our SPY bot today at 11 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and put options were up 3 to 5x within just an hour, guys. This is a new release that allows us to have an edge over the markets within the volatility to maximize on opportunities, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, which will get you access to the clarity you deserve, the SPY bot, and everything within the volatility to maximize on the opportunities. So it wasn't just Bbig. The SPY fell as well, the overall markets fell, and many stocks followed, right? So Bbig, when you look at it zoomed out from the explosive run from yesterday to today, it is holding up pretty strong. And after it ran today and came back down, it seems to be holding up. We're going to look at it with Ultimate 42 Vision, the support levels, resistance levels. I'm going to be watching moving forward. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with Bbig and everything I see moving forward into the end of this week and next week. So the opportunity I mentioned this morning turned out to be phenomenal within the volatility. And if you guys want to know about these stocks and opportunities early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the one stock I was watching this morning was IRNT, and it turned out to be phenomenal. Within a matter of minutes, it took off 18% plus, guys. We mentioned this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards towards the bell. It started to have some volatility there, dipped down, reversed, right? You could see it there on 42 vision, got that bull indicator full strength and hit a highest point of 18% plus, dipped back down and took off for a second opportunity of 10 to 15% as well. So collectively altogether, it gave about a 30 to 40% opportunity within the two dips and the rips, guys. If you guys want to know about these opportunities early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. And the stock had a lot of volatility today, but it leveled off, like I stated earlier in the video, right where it left off in the pre-market on that slight dip, right? And it broke through the highs here from yesterday of 363, and that's where the rejection started. As you can see there, that's where it tried to level off and come back up, and things actually started to fall. Now, I did hit a high here of 382. That was phenomenal for the Bbig bulls, but things turned back around, and we need to see now if this could hold up, because we're really close to 330. Okay, it hit a low here of 335, and the lowest point in the pre-market was 332. As long as it held it, we were going to have some strength, and it certainly did. As I stated in yesterday's video, that's the key midpoint to watch. It's not really a direct or formal type of support level. It was more of an informal one, and it certainly turned out to be a point of support, because you could see it right there. It bounced off of it and went higher. Now, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And not only the bull and bear indicators, but you also get the bars that change and shift as there's weakness or strength in the charts. So Bbig here had a lot of volatility today on the 30-minute. I mean, you could see that bear indicator popping up, then a quick bull indicator, and then another bear indicator. That's a lot of volatility in one single day. If you see here the last several days and weeks, every time these bull and bear indicators pop up, they're pretty clean, right? They're kind of spaced out from each other. At least this one took 2 days. And from this bear to this bull indicator, It took about 2 days as well. And this one right here spaced out pretty strong in a whole entire day and a half. But today, the volatility was such an immense amount that it went from a bear to bull indicator in a matter of just an hour. And then it went right back to another bear indicator. This right here is just way too much volatility. Way too much to signify real strength. But the fact that they held above 330, the bulls, there is some strength in this chart. But this is why we need to zoom in and zoom out as well. So we're going to look at the 15-minute here. And you could see it now more spaced out in a sense where from this bull indicator to this bear indicator, we are under a bear indicator. And even though it's trying to reverse, things are in a downward direction. Now it bounced off 335. The lows here 332. 330 still holds to be a support level that is pivotal in the strength of this move here and this chart. If it gets broken through, the next one's down here at 311, 310 if you just want to round that down. And to the upside, we need to break back above 363 and then also right there at 382. And you could see that right there at 363, that's right around the area where that bear indicator started to pop up. So it's a pivotal point for the bulls to break through, and we want to see a bull indicator popping up here. Now, when we zoom out and look at the 4-hour, things are shifting really quickly to the downward direction. I stated that in yesterday's video that we wanted to see this type of action. Not the same exact one. It wasn't guaranteed, right? Because this was a squeeze. But it could be forming one here as we saw it, and not to shift back from green to dark green with red borders. If we saw that, we were going to know that this was a quick move that could have actually turned out to be a bull trap or a short-lived run that was phenomenal yesterday, ran into today, and that's about it. That was about a 20 to 30% run from $3 to the 380s, right? So now we're going back down. Now we need to watch this carefully. If a bear indicator pops up to negate this bull indicator just that quickly, because that was a small move. Now, if by any chance this bull indicator continues to hold and there's no bear indicator popping up, even though we're pulling back, this could be the setup, right, for the next bull run, as I always say. As we pull back, no bear indicator, still full strength, the setup for the next bull run, break through 380s, get up towards $4 and reach newer highs. And this bull indicator is dominating in the chart based off the 4-hour. But the amount of volatility that we saw here on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, it's pretty shaky here at these levels. The overall market also is pretty shaky right now. So BBIG, just by natural cause of the overall market, could get pulled down with it. Okay? Doesn't mean it has to, but that is something to be aware of. Now, if I put the 1 day, things are a little different. Things are looking strong. It's in that upward direction. As long as that continues and that does not shift tomorrow, Friday, or next week into a dark green with red borders, pulling it back down like it did right here, right? It was going strong, then it pulled right back down, going strong, and then pulls right back down. Then this 1 day is holding true and showing some strength in the bigger picture. What we need is a bull indicator to negate this bear indicator. Those are the key things I'm watching right now at these levels moving forward. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.